Hello! In front of me I have ROGBIT S2 smartwatch, and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the Android phone. First, let's open the Fit application on the phone that is paired with our watch. In the app, you should see the home page. Now, tap on the device icon right here at the bottom to open the device page for your S2 watch. And on this page, you should see this remove button at the top. Tap on it, tap on remove, and the device should disappear from the device page. You can also check the Bluetooth settings on your phone. So open the quick panel, press and hold on Bluetooth icon, and check if here you have the device connected on the saved devices list. If you don't need to do anything, but if you had it right here, you can tap on the settings icon next to it, tap forget, and tap on forget device to completely disconnect it from your phone. And at this point, the watch is completely unpaired from your Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.